In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make UGC items in Roblox in 2022. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you need to apply to be an UGC creator by searching updates and changes to the UGC catalog application on Google and clicking the first link from the dev forum. In this link, as you can see, updates and changes to the UGC catalog application, you may scroll down and click this blue link in order to be redirected to this official Roblox forms or Roblox application where you have to fill a bunch of information to first be accepted as an UGC creator. After you are accepted, you may now start using a tool like Blender. So go to blender.org to download it and start making your 3D items for Roblox. After you make your item, you can import it to Roblox Studio and start messing with it here. Remember that you need to be accepted as an UGC creator before starting to make items for Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to become a UGC creator for Roblox in 2022. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.